So today I'm about to show you how to chat with someone on Reddit, step by step. This is useful if you want to message creators, ask questions in communities, or connect with other users directly. Reddit makes it simple once you know where to click, but a lot of people miss it at first. I'll walk you through the exact process so you can start chatting in just a minute. Right, let's get started. First, make sure you're logged in into Reddit. Once you're on the page, find the person you want to chat with. Click on their username. This will open their profile. On the right hand side, you'll see options like follow and start chat. You can also see how much karma they have and their contributions. Now, click start chat. A pop-up will appear where you can type and send your message. You can repeat the same steps with any other profile you want to chat with. One important thing you need to know is if you are a new Reddit user, you may have temporary restrictions. This usually lasts just about a week while your account builds activity. And that's it. That's how you chat with someone on Reddit. That's the full process on starting chats on Reddit. Once you know where the button is, it's quick and easy to connect with people. If this helped you out, please make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tutorials like this, comment down below what other topic you want me to break down next. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.